I'm just going to quickly show how easy it is to add an event to an existing booking off page. So we can see Newtown Physiotherapy here using the Kells Physiotherapy logo. So I'm just going to log in and I'll go to events. So let's say we want to put on a Pilates class. So I'll create a new event and I'll call it Pilates class. I'll give it a short description. To make it easy, I'll just copy and paste all that as if I give it a big long description. There's the location. I can change that if I want. So this Pilates class is going to start on January the 9th and it's going to run right through until Monday, February 13th. It's going to be on Monday nights at 8 o'clock from 8 to 9. So I'll just set that up here. There's a limited capacity. There doesn't have to be, but for this case there is. We'll say it's limited to 12. There is a cost to attend. Customers are expected to enroll for the full course of classes, and the total price is we'll say €60. And when they're booking online, they have to pay a minimum of €10 deposit, and they can get that back if they cancel and give 48 hours notice of the first class. So I'll also ask them a question, and I'll make that a mandatory question. I can add as many questions as I like there, make them mandatory or not. So for now I'll just add one question, and then the automatic email that gets sent when the customer books, this is where I customize it. And whatever information, let's say and whatever terms and conditions you want. So if I click save, and that should now be live. So I can see in the owner dashboard that I've got a Pilates class here. So if I go back to the front end, I can see now that the customer has an option to book in for the Pilates class. There's the description I gave it, just as a sample. So the customer can see it runs from the 9th of January to the 13th of February. That's 6 Monday nights, and it's on every Monday at 8 o'clock. So the customer can book for themselves and up to 3 other friends. So I'll book for 2 people here. I'll put my name as Niall Smith, and I'm booking in with Phil Jeffries. So I'll put in my card details to secure booking. I'm going to pay just a €20 deposit. Have I done Pilates before? Yes. And there's the booking summary. I click to complete it. Now I should see that I'm now booked in just as quick as that. If I go back to book more places, I can see that there's now only 10 places left. It's up to the owner whether they show that information or not. So that's how you would book a Pilates class and set it up. So back in, the owner can see who's attending, so they click view details. They can see that there's a booking here for 2 places. So if the owner clicks print, you can see a nice printer friendly view of who's enrolled and how much they've paid and what their contact details are. So that's the Pilates class, or putting on an event, a course of events that the customer is expected to attend all events.